Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. Today, I'm going to quickly review some cool tips. They will make you use Blender easier and faster. If you want to type the same value in the 3 fields, you don't have to do this one by one. You can just click and drag like that, and then type 90 for example. Now you have the number 90 in the 3 fields. Maybe you want to do this with 2 fields only. You can also click and drag and type 50 for example. The number 50 is written in these 2 fields only. The second tip is that you can press backspace on the keyboard to reset them to their default values. As you can see, all values are 0 now. Let's try this with the scale. I'll set all values to be 2. Then, I press backspace to reset them. I'll type a value of 75 here. If you want to copy the value to the Z-axis, you can just hover over here, press Ctrl-C, and then hover over the other field and press Ctrl-V. Now, the value is copied. You can use the same way to copy colors. You can simply hover over a color, press Ctrl-C, and then Ctrl-V here to paste it. You can also copy colors by clicking and dragging the color from here to there. If you have an object that is too far, and you want to zoom in and focus on it, you can press dot on the numpad. The same thing happens with keyframes. So if you want to zoom in and make these keyframes appear in a clearer way, you can just select all of them, then press dot on the numpad to zoom or focus. As you can see, here are keyframes. You can control them easily, then you can zoom out again to continue your work. I hope you find this video useful. And if you want to get the upcoming tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.